So I've got this beautiful Grand Western Angus Reserve center cut 10-ounce filet here, and we're going to do an espresso ancho chili rub and put that all coated on all sides. So let's go ahead and make the rub. So we've got some espresso we're going into the bowl with, some ancho chili powder, some brown sugar, Spanish paprika, cocoa powder, dry mustard, granulated garlic, a little ground cumin, touch of ginger, a little bit of dry oregano, kosher salt, and black pepper. So we're quickly just going to whisk up all these ingredients together, get them nice and blended, and our dry rub is ready to go. So I've got this gorgeous 10-ounce center cut filet, and what we're going to do with this now is we're going to roll it in the dry spice rub that I just created. So let's go ahead, press these into the spices on all sides, top and bottom. Gonna get a nice amount of spices on here. We've got our dry spices on the filet. Let's just coat this filet with a little bit of oil, and this will just help the spices permeate the meat a little bit more. That's gorgeous. Let's get some oil in the pan. We've got a nice hot cast iron pan here. Okay, so we're searing this, but we're not searing this as high as I normally would another piece of steak, and I'm gonna tell you why. There's some brown sugar in the rub. So the brown sugar, we don't want it to burn, we want it to caramelize. So let's go ahead and let this guy sear on this side, and then we're gonna sear him on the sides, and then we're gonna move him into the oven at about 375 degrees and cook him to an internal temperature of about 125 to 130. So we've got a nice sear in this guy. Let's lay him down, and let's transfer him into the oven. Okay, so the filet's been removed from the oven. We're sitting at medium rare temperature, about 130 degrees internal temperature. It's rested for about 6 or 7 minutes, so we're gonna go ahead and plate it up. And we're just gonna drop some roasted asparagus on this plate freestyle, along with some fingerling potatoes, roasted simply, olive oil, salt, pepper. Let's go ahead and drop this filet right on top there. A little bit of oregano on the plate, touch of thyme on the plate, a little bit of fresh herbs. Bon appetit.